Balance sheet is an account. Excellent. It's a statement is a brilliant choice.
Dash is here cash inflows.
Well done. All of the above is the right choice. Bills payable is shown as. Good job. Your answer trade payables works well here. Formula for liquid ratio equal to. Well picked. Quick assets, current liabilities is the correct answer. Interest paid is shown in. Well reasoned. Financial activity is the correct choice.
Planning is a function of.
Exactly. Management accounting makes sense and it is right choice. Validity of current ratio. You got it. Your choice 2-1 is right. What does COGS stand for? On track. Cost of goods sold is the correct answer. Furniture is regarded as. You chose fixed asset, and it is correct. It is predetermined cost. Good thinking. Standard costing is the right answer.
Short-term investment is.
Nice work. You chose a current asset, and it is correct. Fixed cost includes dash. Great job. All of the above is the accurate answer. What is unfavorable? Clear logic. Your choice revenue decreased. Spending increased is sound and 100% true. The term fund refers to. Smart pick. Working capital is the correct choice. Cost accounting aims at. Nice selection. Cost control and reduction is the correct and valid answer. Master budget in nature. Great thinking. Comprehension is the right choice.
Turnover ratios measure.
Bravo! Activity levels is the answer. Goodwill is one of the. Right choice. Intangible assets is the best answer. Solvency ratio include. Correct. Capital gearing ratio is the right answer. Ideal current ratio is. Nicely done. 2-1 is a solid answer. A quantitative plan is. Valid point. Budget is true. Example of fixed asset. Excellent choice. Land is the right answer. Choose the odd one out. Fixed budget is the correct choice. Management deals with. Right again. Both is a valid answer. EVA in SMA refers to. Smart move. Economic value added is an accurate answer. Fixed cost plus profit equal to. Correct response. Contribution is the most accurate answer. Return inwards means. Sharp thinking. Sales return is the right choice. Dash is period cost. Strong choice. Fixed cost is the right answer. Uke expands to mean. You're right. Economic order quantity is the correct answer. Budgeting is a dash. Solid response. Technique is a valid choice. Bot approach means. Well done. Build, operate, and transfer is the right choice. Step variable cost. On track. Raw materials is the correct answer. Budget is in nature. Good job. Your answer prediction works well here. Accounts receivable.
Well reasoned. Asset is the correct choice.
Overhead refers to? Excellent choice. All indirect costs is the right answer.
The term fund means. Nice selection. Working capital is the correct and valid answer.
Income tax paid is. Great job. An application of funds is the accurate answer.
Liquid assets mean. Exactly. Current assets stock prepaid expenses makes sense and it is right choice.
Current ratio is a
Correct response. Liquidity ratio is the most accurate answer. Office equipment. Well picked. Asset is the correct answer.
find the odd one.
Right choice. Ratio analysis is the best answer. Goodwill is dash.
Nicely done. Intangible asset is a solid answer. Step fixed costs.
Smart move. Rent is an accurate answer. Zibib starts with.
Smart pick. 0 is the correct choice. Commission paid. Correct. Expense is the right answer.
Bank overdraft. Solid response. Liability is a valid choice.
Fixed deposit.
Great thinking. Asset is the right choice. MAR stands for. Excellent. Management accounting is a brilliant choice. Investors are? You chose owners, and it is correct.
Throughput equal to.
Perfect. Sales direct material cost is the correct choice. What is SA? Valid point. 1. Corporate social responsibility is true.
What is UC?
You're right. Economics order quantity is the correct answer. Cash in hand.
Sharp thinking. Asset is the right choice.
Mixed costs. Good thinking. S bill. Telephone is the right answer. Legacy is a. Right again. Capital receipt is a valid answer. Fund means. Clear logic. Your choice net working capital is sound and 100% true. Expand it. Bravo. Just in time is the answer. Bank fees.
Strong choice. Expense is the right answer.
UC means. You got it. Your choice economic ordering quantity is right. Bank loan. Nice work. You chose liability and it is correct. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Clear logic. Your choice contact Narayan Changda is sound and 100% true.